Hi everybody, this is Lucas here from Malusaka, and in today's short vlog I kindly welcome you to another Gymkhana event here at the Gymkhana paddock of Tsukuba racetrack, and I got my drone with me, so I'm taking a few videos. We have 3 different courses, so like number 8 figure like usual, and the donut area, and then controlling braking and exiting the corner. We're doing most of the activities in the first or second gear, depending on the confidence of each driver. And the point of this oval here is to control the car while exiting and entering. Out of the corner here you can see Arakawa-san just going in, wide fast, second gear, and out, flew out. Then there is another contender, a woman, who's doing really well. But the point here is to control the car entering and exiting the corner without trying to lose too much time. And over there, spins, donuts and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I try to do something with the drone. I don't have much practice, but I try to do the best out of it, and hopefully you guys can enjoy it as much as I do. I don't know what happened, but during this spin, this happened. The whole Christmas tree is on, and I'm kind of curious why this did happen. So anyways, I'm gonna restart the engine. Hopefully it's gonna get back to normal. It did not work. My friend from the racing serious body race had the same problem after donutting the car, and the same thing happened to his car. But we removed the battery and his got fixed, mine got fixed as well. So we believe it's related to a little bit of overheating while donutting the cars. Let's see if it happens again. And with this little accent, we're calling it a day. This was the last run. I'm just gonna get my time and see whether I'm gonna win a crate of beer or not. Thanks for joining, thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.